NFT Minter Generator. Create NFT minting website with no coding required on your end. Are you looking to launch your own NFT minting website, but you don't know how to write code or have the technical skills required to launch your own NFT dApp? Well, look no further. Welcome to Mycryptoview's NFT Minter Generator, a great tool that allows you to create your NFT minting page without writing a single line of code. And if you have your own MCV token in your wallet on either Ethereum or Pulse chain, you can create as many NFT minting pages as you want, all at zero cost. We support Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Pulse chain, with more EVM-compatible networks in the pipeline. All processing fees from the first year go into PMCV liquidity. PMCV is Mycryptoview's token MCV on the Pulse chain network. After you connect your wallet, all you need to do is to define and input the following: name, symbol, URL, not reveal URL, mint price, max mint per user, max supply, and hit create. Now you can see your NFT mint contract deployed on the blockchain and your generated NFT minting page. If you want to test your NFT minting page before embedding it into your website, you can copy the generated code link and open any text editor, for example, Notepad. Paste the code and save it as nftminter.html. To view your NFT minting dApp, click the Test nftminter.html page, and there you are. You've successfully created your NFT minting page, and you've done it without any coding. Mycryptoview's token generator. Sign up for more tools and educational crypto topics. Mycryptoview.com.